Well, hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Maddie Blackman. I'm back with another video. In this video today, I want to share with you guys on my healthy breakfast meal that I usually eat each morning. I'm going with the Full Circle Original Almond Milk, dairy free, and I'm using quick oats and my organic black chia seeds and my honey bunches of oat with almond, which is optional. You don't really have to use the cereal. You can use your fruit like I usually do, and I don't always use cereal. I just switch it up a little bit. So now I'm going to take my greens on the go from my business that I just started. It's one of the products that are on my business, which is It Works, and I will have all the information down below. You just add it to your water. It has 8 servings of fruits and vegetables, 38 herbs, and a nutrient-dense superfood, all non-GMO. And this also would be a good idea if you guys are in a hurry and you can just place it in your purse and you can go with your greens on the go. So guys, if you're interested in knowing anything about my business, I will have all information down below so you guys can go check out what my business is all about. If you're into getting healthy and keeping yourself in good health, please contact me down below. I will have my email address, and I will also have my Instagram where you can DM me. So since now my oats are already done, I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle the cereal on top of the oatmeal, and I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle my chia seeds on top, which is a good fatty acid, omega-3 fatty acid for you. So and I'm going ahead and applying my greens on the go to my water. And guys, this is it. But if you're interested, please email me. I will have all information down below. Bye guys.